Okay, so I'm gonna be making a DIY fidget spinner. This is super easy. So first what you want is some like thick paper thing like this, right? So I'm gonna have to take this off. So I'll be back in a few minutes. I gotta get my materials. So wait, let me just. Okay, so I'm back with some materials. Um, so first, what you want to do is trace something like this. Yeah, I know. I suck at drawing, but don't don't look here because I'm just covering it because that was where I made a mistake, and I was doing it with marker because I wanted to get this done quickly because my bedtime is like in at 9 p.m., which is in less than an hour, so I don't really have much time to do this. So let's get on with this. So you want it to be very thick because it's not really gonna work real if it's super soft. So but once you're done tracing it, you have to cut it out. Okay? Only focus on the one I'm cutting out. So yeah, yeah. You probably you probably know where I made a mistake here. Yeah, I don't really want to make that look like my fidget spinner, so let's do this. This one's still also bad, but it's better. Something's wrong with my voice today. I think so, at least. Okay, now. Okay, oh shoot. Okay, you probably don't want me to just want, probably don't want to just see me cutting, so, I'm gonna be back. Wait. Okay, so that's done now. Now, oh shoot, this isn't gonna work. Be right back. I gotta get something. I hate my life. Look at what happened. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna have to redo this. Be right back. Oh my god, I'm doing this so much. Okay, so I've decided to do something new. Don't worry, it's not deleting anything. It's just adding. Okay, don't look at this. Yeah, it was another mess up. I think it was kind of too small because it was about the same size. Okay, so you might want to put a little hole in the middle because that's where. Wait, be right. Wait, I gotta fix something. Let me go get my marker. I'm not going to do a be right back again. Come on. Seriously, I can't show you. Okay, now. Yeah, I'm using a. Great, this isn't gonna work out. Well, at least it's a prediction. But hopefully it does work out. So now, you wanna cut this? Oh, look at this. Yeah. What? Oh, okay. Mm, I know it's gonna look horrible. Well, hopefully it won't. Yeah. My Angel actually made one for me, but like it didn't even have finger pads. So what? I actually have some finger pads, but that's for later. I'll show you what to do with that later. Don't worry if you don't have bearings, because you don't need any. But it might not really work out well. Okay, please work, please. Wait a minute. I'm actually doing something pretty dangerous. See, look, my fingers here. I'm trying to pinch this. Okay, if this breaks, I'm not even gonna upload this video probably. You probably don't want to see me doing this, so I'll be right back again. I know, I do this too much. Yes, it worked. Look, yeah. I put a hole in it. I know you probably can't see, but still. Now, once you put the hole in, if you haven't done it yet, just pause the video. You want to get this. It's a cotton bud. Okay? So now you want to put it in. Come on. Okay, yeah. Put it in. Okay then. Now, look. You know, it's horrible. It's horrible. But it's not done yet. I know. Too many steps. Now, what you want to do is you want to cut most of it off. Not all of it. Okay, most of the thing. Like, probably about to here. Oh, come on. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, this is gonna take forever. This is taking forever. Okay. Yay! Okay, now that you got that, you're gonna, this is, okay, let's just try this. Of course it didn't. Okay. Okay, this better work. Wait. Don't do this yet. Just because I'm actually doing a test right now. This is the first time I've actually made a DIY fidget spinner for real. Oh. Maybe I can do it like that. Be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I don't know where any glue is, so I'm gonna be using tape. This is just to make it stay. So now don't do anything before I tell you to, because then you're probably gonna mess up. And then I'm gonna get a dislike. Yeah, people sometimes dislike videos for stupid reasons. Well, at least I think so. No offense. Come on. Don't do anything until I do it, because this is my first time doing it, too. So you could be doing the wrong thing with me. So only do it when you find out that it's the right thing. Yeah, okay now. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna need some more tape. I know. Okay, it worked. So, now you want to do this? And yes, it is horrible. Ow, shoot! Yes, I didn't get a paper cut. Now what you want to do is, okay, so to keep you from getting paper cuts, you want to get a little piece of this, okay, rip it off. Yeah, that's just a paper towel, okay. Okay, now get some tape or glue if you have some. Yeah, glue would be a lot better. Now, I can't wait till I finally get a real fidget spinner. Seriously, seriously, seriously. I messed up. Yeah, but don't worry, this mess up doesn't have, you can redo it without getting your thing messed up. So, put some tape here. So there's, yeah, you want to basically put tape everywhere. So, yeah, put tape here. Yeah, this is what it should look like. This is my first DIY video. I'm usually too focused on gaming. Oh, and I'm probably gonna do a prank video, another prank video soon, because now I know how to make a website. Now I know how to make a website useful for my YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm pretty sneaky. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a website showing that it's like something happened where it's illegal to do something, or something's about to happen like really bad, and it's gonna freak my friends out. I'm gonna do it to both Angel and Chandler. Hey man. Jenny man. Yeah. Chandler man is actually now on Robities. Yep. Channy man. He what happened again? Oh yeah. He's now on Robities, and he's awesome. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Sorry. Sorry if whew, I thought something fell off. Okay, now let's get some more tape. Uh, don't worry if you really want to be a buddy, because if you subscribe to the Buddy League, you'll actually be a subscriber buddy, which is a type of a buddy. Unfortunately, they don't have their own channel, but if you give, but if we can reach 5 likes on this, no, 10 likes on this video, we'll make it turn into a channel, and then we'll say stuff that has happened to the subscriber buddies. Okay, so just get this video 10 likes, and we'll do it. We'll make the subscriber buddies an official channel. So subscribe to the Buddy League. I'm not gonna put in the link because you can just search it. Don't worry. Cause it's not copyright. Like there are some videos saying the Buddy League, but everybody knows it's a channel. So yeah. That's why I do not recommend making channels with names that already exist, because it'll be very hard for people to find your channel, because you might say your channel you might get a shout out, but they don't put the link in, and then somebody searches it, then subscribes to the wrong person. So yeah, I don't really recommend making channel names that already exist. Wait, what? Okay, so I'm back. I got permission to stay up a little late to do this. I'll just sleep when I'm done uploading this video. So, what you want to put tape everywhere, like don't put it over like in the middle, just put it where the like, for example, do it like that. See? It's to prevent getting paper cuts. For some reason, everybody puts like coins on here. I don't know why that is, but I think you can. It will still work without coins. Maybe that's how they prevent getting paper cuts. I don't know, but maybe nobody knows. Well, at least they know, but not me. But I find those ways too complicated. So, that's why I'm doing it, my own way. Yeah, I don't even know if this is even gonna work out. Yeah, it's probably not gonna spin very well, but at least it works. Yeah. So, I want us to reach 10 likes, okay? Also subscribe. But, so if you if you get us to 10 likes, subscribe to the Buddy League and you'll become a subscriber buddy. And you can get your stuff shared if you get us to 10 likes. So subscribe.